What is good, YouTube? I'm back with an update. I did start already. I did take out the transmission. Yeah, I'm gonna take off all this and try to flip it to remove the oil. Not flip it, but I need to remove the oil pan as well. I've been here. I got the torque wrench. I already have the tool to clean the cylinders for the pistons. And yeah, man, stay tuned. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Yeah. As y'all can see, man, I have a big old mess. And I have bad news. The oil smells like gasoline. So I'm assuming the gas went inside the block. The block, whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop. Then, you know, the gas got inside the block. Yeah, man, my hands are filthy. Look at this, my hands are filthy. But I have that rag cleaning up all this. That should get the job done. Yeah, that's more bad news. I tried to drain the thing before taking it off. Guess what? Bad idea, because it fell off this side and I have the jack right there holding it. And I slipped and I ate it. Yeah. It's not looking so good. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna get this off the cement, but we gonna figure it out. Yeah, man, just stay tuned. So far, there's gas in the oil. It smells horrible. Like, look at this. Like, it's all like milky. Y'all see those? The streaks in there? Like the video. Comment. Yeah. Y'all do that. Go like the video, comment, subscribe. I'm about to give y'all an update. Right now, I'm gonna wait. But I'm only gonna wait for my brother. He's gonna pull up. He off work in a little bit. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Well, YouTube, we got nowhere. There's nothing funny, bro. Got nowhere. We took this thing apart and we literally got nowhere. Look at this, man. It's hard. We can't get no wrench in there. No wrench in there. Everything's taken apart already. We just can't get those separated, and they got stuck in the most awkward places ever. If you guys have any idea of how we could get this done, let me know. Did we get it done today, bro?
Oh, well, see Chris' face.
Whoever that is. But there's a little update. Cleaned up the oil spill, just so that you guys know that one rag did get the job done. Curly in there. But yeah. YouTube. It is now Friday. Last clip y'all seen was Tuesday, but today is now Friday. Hello. Let's go in and out, in and out, in and out. Let's go in and out, in and out, in and out. Gotta be over here somewhere. Yeah, on this side. I need to organize this store a little better. Here we go. This is what we need. Where they at? Where they at? Here we go, here we go, here we go. How much are they? 18? I think I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna grab these. Alright, I got what I needed. Just got to the crib. I'm gonna show you what I ended up grabbing. Just got to the crib. I'm gonna put my truck a little bit forward so that I can work in the shade. But yeah. Yeah, don't mind the mess I have in here. It's bad. So I'm gonna release the brake, let it roll forward. Let it roll forward. Let it roll forward, more forward, more forward. Let it roll forward. More forward, more forward. Okay, right there should be good. I'm gonna work right there in the back. But this is what I end up getting. This and another one of these honing tools. So to work in this little area. And this is it. This is where we left off so far. The reason why I got these angled wrenches was because that bolt right there is stuck. And that bolt down there right there is stuck as well. So yeah, man, this is what I got. Give y'all a little update, let you know how far I get. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Yeah, man, I got nowhere. Low-key tired of this. I might just end up getting a new block. Yeah, man, as far as now, I feel like I gave up on this. I don't want to give up because I spent money on it. But that's going to be it for today's video, man. Stay tuned. Let me know what y'all want. If y'all want me to rebuild it, I'll try my best to do whatever I need to do. If I need to send it in or, you know, for them to resurface it or whatever, woo-de-woo-de-woo, I'll do that. But as for right now, man, I think I'm set on not messing with it. Stay tuned, though. I might have something for y'all, something that y'all might be excited for. Stay tuned, like the video, comment, subscribe, and again, let me know if I should continue try to rebuild this motor. And yeah, man, bye.